Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove linked accounts from Gmail. If you want to remove the linked account from Gmail, all you have to do is simply open the Gmail application in your mobile, and this is the current interface you will see. So from here, you have to tap on these three bars in the top left and simply scroll down and tap on this settings. Then once you go to the settings option, over here you will find any sort of emails that is linked. If it is linked, you will actually see right over here whether it is linked or not. Otherwise, you can also go inside that email. So here you will find the option called link account. In my case, it is already unlinked, so you will see link. In your case, it could be shown as unlinked account, so you can tap on the unlink option. Another thing that you want to uncheck is this option. You can see here that is sync Gmail. You want to make sure to simply uncheck this particular option over here, and once done, you will be able to unsync your email. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to remove linked account from Gmail. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.